Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create private match in CS2. So first thing you have to do is you have to go ahead and go to your CS2, and then if you're a new player, then you have to play a few matches first. Now after that, you just have to go to the play section at the top, and once you click on that one, you will be transferred to this page. So in here, you can create a new match code. So go ahead and click on this create a private matchmaking pool. So click on this one. And once you click on that one, this message will then pop up. So you just have to click on OK. And then after that, at the very bottom, just go ahead and tap on go. So this is the unique code that you have created. So you can then share this code with your friend, and then you can play with them privately, and no other random person will enter the game. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!